2026 is coming, whether you're ready or not. And here's the truth most students don't want to hear. The difference between an average academic year and your best year ever is not intelligence. It's strategy. If you're tired of falling behind, if you're tired of studying hard but getting average results, this video will show you exactly how to make 2026 the year everything finally clicks. Stay till the end, because the final step is what separates top students from everyone else. Step 1. Stop repeating last year's mistakes. Before you try to fix your future, you need to face your past. Most students don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they repeat the same mistakes and hope for different results. Think about last year. Where did things really go wrong? Was it procrastination? Was it poor time management? Was it studying hard, but in the wrong way? Here's the hard truth. A new academic year doesn't automatically create a new version of you. If you don't change the habit, you'll repeat the outcome. So in 2026, your first academic move is not buying new stationery. It's eliminating your biggest weakness. Just one. Because fixing one weak habit can improve everything else: your grades, your confidence, and your stress levels. Comment your biggest academic mistake below. Writing it down is the first step to deleting it. Step 2. Study. Smarter, not harder. Here's something top students understand early. More hours does not mean more results. You can study for 6 hours and remember nothing, or study for one focused hour and remember everything. In 2026, your goal is quality over quantity. That means no more fake studying, no scrolling between pages, no reading without understanding, no highlighting everything and remembering nothing. Instead, study actively. Ask questions. Test yourself. Explain concepts out loud as if you're teaching someone else. When your brain struggles, it grows. When it's comfortable, it forgets. And remember, consistency beats intensity. 30 focused minutes every day will beat 5 hours once a week. That's how real academic progress is built. If you're done with ineffective studying, comment "smart study" below and commit to doing it differently in 2026. Step 3. Build a system that works even when you don't feel like it. Motivation feels good, money, but it's unreliable. Some days you'll feel inspired. Other days you'll feel tired, distracted, or unmotivated. That's why successful students don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. A system tells you when to study, what to study, and how long to study, even when you don't feel like it. Same time, same place, same routine. When studying becomes automatic, discipline replaces excuses. You stop asking, "Do I feel like studying?" and start saying, "This is just what I do." That shift alone can transform your entire academic year. Comment "system" if you're ready to stop depending on motivation and start winning with structure. Step 4. Master your time before it masters you. Every academic failure has one silent cause: time mismanagement. It's not that you don't have enough time. It's that your time is being stolen by distractions, poor planning, and saying yes to everything. In 2026, stop trying to do everything. Instead, focus on what actually moves your grades forward. Each day, choose 3 academic priorities, not 10. Not a long to-do list you'll never finish. Just 3 tasks that matter. Study during your best hours. Protect that time like it's non-negotiable. Social media can wait. Your future can't. Time controlled is stress reduced, and stress reduced means better focus, better memory, and better results. Comment "time is my weapon" if you're taking control of your schedule in 2026. Step 5. Protect your brain. It's your main asset. Your brain is not a machine you can abuse and expect results from. No sleep means poor concentration. No breaks means burnout. No movement means low energy. Yet many students try to win academically while running on exhaustion. In 2026, resting is not laziness, it's strategy. Sleep is not wasted time. It's when memory is locked in. Breaks are not distractions. They prevent mental crashes. Exercise is not optional. It boosts focus and learning speed. If you want elite academic performance, you need an elite recovery system. Because a sharp mind beats a tired genius every single time. If you're choosing brain health over burnout, comment "sharp mind" below. Step 6. Change your identity. This is the real game. Here's the final shift that changes everything. Stop saying, I'm trying to be a better student. Start saying, I am a disciplined student. Your identity controls your actions. When you see yourself as someone who studies daily, plans ahead, and shows up even when it's uncomfortable, your behavior follows automatically. You don't rely on willpower. You don't wait for motivation. You act because that's who you are now. 2026 is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. And consistency is what separates top students from everyone else. Comment new identity if you're stepping into a new academic version of yourself in 2026.